Hello and welcome. My name is David oisamoje. If you're just joining me for the first time, I say welcome. Yes, my channel is all about creating design for print on demand, using these designs to make passive income for yourself. Yes, I create inspirational designs you can use to create your own unique designs and just keep uploading them to Redbubble, Public, Match by Amazon. These are print on demand sites you can use to make your own passive income. So if you want to add your passive income goal, your passive income also, this is the channel you want to be subscribed to because I upload these videos frequently. As you can see, I have about 197 episodes up already. I'll keep going strong just to make sure you guys have a lot of designs inspiration to choose from. I don't want to waste your time on this, so I'm just going to go straight right into today's own. But I'll tell you something before I go. If you've not subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my uploads. Thank you very much. Let's go straight right into it. So I'm going to be opening canva.com. I'm going to be using canva.com for this design like I do with majority of my design. So if this is something you're interested in getting, I'm going to be showing you how to get Canva Pro free for 30 days. So please stick around so that you don't miss out on this gift. So I'm going to click on canva.com. It's going to load up, obviously, and we are good to go. So now we'll just click on create a design. As you can see, okay, custom dimension standard is 4500 for 500 by 5400. Okay, pixel, not inches, not centimeters, pixel. So now we click on create new design. So now it's going to open on a new tab. This is going to be a super easy design. It's not going to be complicated at all. Trust me when I say so, it's not going to be complicated at all. It's going to be a straightforward design which you can do right from your phone because Canva works on mobile, it works on tabs, it works on laptop. So you can actually do this on any platform you are on. So far as an Android or iOS phone, you can do it for yourself. So let's go and create this one. So I'll just look for a cool font we can use for this design. Okay, look for a cool font. I like to scroll. Okay, I just like to scroll to find a font. So there are a lot of fonts. You might not just want to use one particular one. There are a lot of fonts you can use. So I always advise you to scroll and just pick different font for your design. Every design needs a different font, except it's a brand design. If it's a brand, you might want to stick to one font. But if not, if it's a design like this, t-shirt design, small design, you may need to use different fonts, not just sticking to one font. Let's go, let's pick a font for ourselves. Let me scroll and pick one I can use. Okay, so I'll be scrolling till I find something close. Okay, I think I can use this one. So I'm just going to click on this particular font and let it open. So you can see it's quite small. To make it big, I'm just going to move my cursor to this edge, press down my left mouse click button and drag my mouse outward like so. So as you can see, there are two fonts, but actually I just need one. I just need this top layer one. So I'm going to ungroup this, click on ungroup, click out on this gray area, then click on the let's celebrate, delete that. Okay, so now I'm left with this one. Control A to highlight all. So now I can start creating my design. For this one is going to say yeah. Okay, so now I have that. It says fear, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger again before I continue. So to do that, I'll move my cursor to this edge, press on my left mouse click button and just drag outwards like so. Okay, it says fear. All right, so now I'm going to duplicate it 4 times. So to do that, I'll press my Alt key button, my left mouse click button, and drag my mouse downwards just like so. Okay, so I'll duplicate this again, right? And I'll do it again one more time. Duplicate, pressing my Alt key button and my left mouse click button, and just move my cursor down. Okay, now that I have it, so we'll just highlight this one less here, right? Here less. love more. Okay, so now we can see how it's looking, but I would love to match it. I would not want to leave it the way it is. I can decide to leave it the way it is actually, instead of matching it. Okay, because matching it to make some bigger than the rest, make one bigger, make one smaller, and I don't want that obviously. So I can decide to change the font color. I can decide to change the font color to white. Okay, so but before I do that, I'll have to change this to black. Okay, I'll have to change this to black. Okay, now that I've changed it to black, you can't see our font, so we just have to make sure we come over, make it white. So okay, right, so just do that. So we are left with just one more. Perfect. So now we have it. Say fearless, love more. You can see how easy it is to create this design, but you notice I had to change the background. That I could change this, and this is where Pro comes in. With Canva Pro, you have options of creating out of imagination. You can your creation is endless because you have Pro elements you can use for your design. You have Pro fonts you can use, Pro element, Pro images, like my yesterday's video or video before this one, which is going to be 197. Yes, episode 197. I created with pictures. Those pictures, you can get some quality pictures, Pro pictures for your design, and get that to work for you. So with this one, you can see we've created this design. So we'll just hit the download button. As you can see, this is the other reason why you need Canva Pro, because you can download with the transparent background. If you're serious about making passive income from print on demand, you need all your design to come with the transparent background. So I would advise you to check the first link in the description. Click on that first link in the description. It's going to open on a new tab. Make sure you sign up today if you want to get 30 days free on Canva Pro. So let's hit the download. Once you hit the download button, it's going to prepare our download and it's going to download for us. So yes, it's going to download for us and we can go over and check it out for ourselves. So let's see. This is our design. Let's just wait for it to load up. Now click on it. You can see super cool design. Yes, it's as easy as ABC. It didn't take us a lot of time to get this done, just about 7 minutes to get this design done. And I can actually say we are almost at the end. To your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists so that you watch and see how I created all that design videos, so you can use that for yourself. With that said, I'm just going to see you on the next one. Make sure you stay blessed. I love you all.